A silent visitor crosses the boundary of our solar system. Not from here, but from the distant reaches of the Milky Way. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers spotted an object hurtling inward at nearly 58 kilometers per second on a hyperbolic path. This is not just another comet. This is 3I Atlas, an interstellar wanderer older than our Sun. But what secrets does it carry? And could it be more than just an icy relic? They say comets are time capsules, frozen fragments of early star systems carrying primordial material from the birth of the cosmos. But 3I Atlas challenges everything we know about such objects. It doesn't behave like ordinary comets. Its path, its speed, even the dust it emits, all of it seems off. Some even propose it might be artificial. Could it be the oldest cosmic messenger ever discovered? Discovery and origin? On July 1st, 2025, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, known as ATLAS, detected a faint, fast-moving object in the night sky. Astronomers quickly realized that this body, later designated 3I Atlas, was no ordinary comet. Its orbit was open, a hyperbolic curve, meaning it wasn't gravitationally bound to our Sun. It had come from deep space, passed through our neighborhood, and would soon leave again, never to return. Researchers began calculating its trajectory. Their models revealed that 3I Atlas likely originated from the thick disk of our galaxy, a region filled with ancient stars and primordial material. If true, that would make 3I Atlas older than our solar system itself. Some estimates place its age at over 7 billion years. That means it formed long before our Sun was born, a relic from an earlier generation of stars. Imagine that, a piece of matter that predates our own planet, drifting through interstellar space for billions of years, now passing briefly through our skies. It's as if time itself has come to visit. Strange behavior and anomalies. As 3I Atlas traveled inward towards the Sun, astronomers expected familiar comet behavior. Ice sublimating, gas jets erupting, and a tail stretching away from the Sun. But what they observed defied expectations. The comet was releasing a lot of dust, yes, but much of it was being ejected toward the Sun, not away from it. That's bizarre. Normally, solar radiation pressure and the solar wind push dust particles outward, forming tails that trail behind a comet. But 3I Atlas seemed to have a tail that pointed the wrong way. One explanation is that the object is rotating in such a way that one hemisphere, possibly a day side, always faces the Sun. If the other side remains in permanent shadow, only that active hemisphere would eject dust, appearing to aim sunward. Another idea is that its surface has been altered by billions of years of exposure to cosmic radiation. Out in the interstellar void, ice and gas are stripped away, leaving behind weathered, non-volatile materials. When heated by the Sun, these materials don't sublimate evenly. They crumble, ejecting dust in unpredictable ways. This unusual behavior isn't unprecedented. We saw odd activity with earlier interstellar visitors, such as Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I Borisov in 2019. But 3I Atlas adds another layer of mystery. It looks comet-like, yet acts nothing like the comets we know. The artificial hypothesis. Of course, when something doesn't fit our understanding, our imaginations ignite. Some scientists have proposed an intriguing, though speculative, possibility. What if 3I Atlas is not entirely natural? In a research paper titled, "Is the Interstellar Object 3I Atlas Alien Technology?" astrophysicists considered whether this body could be a technological artifact, a spacecraft, probe, or derelict object built by another civilization. They noted several odd coincidences. First, its orbit lies almost perfectly within the plane of our solar system, the ecliptic, but moves in the opposite direction, a retrograde orbit. That configuration would allow an object to pass near several inner planets, Venus, Mars, even Jupiter, with relatively little energy. In orbital mechanics, that's extremely rare. Scientific observations and ongoing investigation. Since its discovery, telescopes around the world have been tracking 3I Atlas. Researchers analyze its brightness, its color, its spectrum, every clue that might reveal what it's made of and how it behaves. Spectroscopic data suggests that 3I Atlas has a reddish hue, similar to that of organic rich dust. Its surface appears dark and featureless, implying it has been bombarded by cosmic rays for billions of years, transforming surface ice into complex carbon compounds. Interestingly, astronomers have found little evidence of the usual volatile gases like water vapor or carbon monoxide. This supports the theory that the object has spent eons in deep space, losing its lighter elements long ago. Implications and meaning. If 3I Atlas is natural, it's an extraordinary opportunity. It's a relic from a time before the sun existed, carrying within it the chemistry of stars long dead. By studying it, we can glimpse the raw materials that seeded worlds across the galaxy. Perhaps it holds amino acids or complex organics, the very building blocks of life, forged in a different stellar nursery and sent adrift for billions of years. That alone makes it priceless. Every interstellar object is a time capsule, preserving a record of how planets and life might arise elsewhere. But if, and it's a big if, 3I Atlas turned out to be artificial, then everything changes. It would mean we are not alone, and that another intelligence mastered interstellar travel long before we dreamed of it. It would mean that someone or something sent a probe into the galaxy millions of years ago, and by chance, it passed near our small blue world. A broader perspective. The story of 3I Atlas isn't just about one object. It's about curiosity and our place in the cosmos. In the last decade, we've discovered multiple interstellar visitors. First Oumuamua, then 2I/Borisov, and now 3I Atlas. Each one reveals how connected our solar system is to the rest of the galaxy. Material isn't confined. It travels, drifts, migrates. Star systems exchange fragments like messages in bottles across the vast cosmic ocean. These objects remind us that our solar system isn't isolated. It's part of a grand, dynamic ecosystem. And perhaps, just as fragments from other stars come to us, fragments from our sun may one day visit someone else's sky. 3I Atlas may not carry answers to the biggest questions, but it forces us to ask them again. 3I Atlas arrived quietly, a grain of cosmic dust with a billion-year story to tell. It doesn't roar through space, it glides, following a path older than Earth itself. Its faint light carries the fingerprints of time, the chemistry of forgotten suns, and maybe, just maybe, evidence of something greater. Whether it's a natural relic or an artifact, it's a reminder of how small we are and how much we have yet to learn. 3I Atlas is more than just a rock from another star. It's a messenger from the deep past, a whisper from the cosmos telling us, "You are not the center of the universe. It came from the stars, and soon it will return to them." But for this brief moment, as it passes by our sun, humanity is watching, listening, and wondering what other stories lie hidden in the darkness between the stars. If you enjoyed this exploration of 3I Atlas and the mysteries of interstellar space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell us, what do you think?